wood industry or lumber industry is the industry concerned with forestry, logging, timber trade, and the production of primary forest products and wood products, for example furniture, and secondary products like wood pulp for the pulp and paper industry. Some of the largest producers are also among the biggest owners of timberland. The wood industry has historically been and continues to be an important sector in many economies. In the narrow sense of the terms, wood, forest, forestry and timber/lumber industry appear to point to different sectors in the industrialized, internationalized world. There is a tendency toward huge integrated businesses that cover the complete spectrum from silviculture and forestry in private primary or secondary forests or plantations via the logging process up to wood processing and trading and transport. For example, timber rafting, forest railways, logging roads. Processing and products differs especially with regard to the distinction between softwood and hardwood. While softwood primarily goes into the production of wood fuel and pulp and paper, hardwood is used mainly for furniture, floors, etc. Both types can be of use for building and residential construction purposes, for example log houses, log cabins, timber framing. The existence of a wood economy, or more broadly, a forest economy, in many countries a bamboo economy predominates, is a prominent matter in many developing countries as well as in many other nations with a temperate climate and especially in those with low temperatures. These are generally the countries with greater forested areas, so conditions allow for development of local forestry to harvest wood for local uses. The uses of wood in furniture, buildings, bridges, and as a source of energy are widely known. Additionally, wood from trees and bushes can be used in a variety of products, such as wood pulp, cellulose and paper, celluloid and early photographic film, cellophane, and rayon, a substitute for silk. At the end of their normal usage, wood products can be burnt to obtain thermal energy or can be used as a fertilizer. The potential environmental damage that a wood economy could occasion include a reduction of biodiversity due to monoculture forestry, the intensive cultivation of very few trees types, and CO2 emissions. However, forests can aid in the reduction of atmospheric carbon dioxide and thus limit climate change. A massive log raft headed down the Columbia River in 1902, containing an entire year's worth of logs from one timber camp. Paper is today the most used wood product.